Welcome to the channel Leverage AI and Communication. Today we're going to learn about PMI-CPMAI Phase III data preparation. I call it data prep. A quick disclaimer, the content is based on PMI-CPMAI and is for educational purposes only. For official guidance, always refer to PMI resources. Now, PMI-CPMAI data prep. This is where raw data starts becoming, useful intelligence. Data makes AI possible, but prep is what makes it actually work. Phase 2 answered, do we have the data? Phase 3 goes one step deeper. Is the data ready to learn? Your model can only perform as well as you prepare data. Better preparation, better outcomes. No algorithm can fix poor preparation. So it's more than cleaning. AI doesn't just learn from clean data, right? It learns from everything, good patterns and bad ones. Preparation defines what the model learns, how it behaves, and how it performs. This phase can take up to 80% of the effort and still gets underestimated because this is where operational data becomes AI ready. Business data is built for transactions. AI needs something different. Data that is restructured, aggregated, and connected across systems. Raw data like names or events needs to be converted into numbers because models don't understand meaning. They understand patterns. Humans can handle inconsistency, AI cannot. Here's an example. New York and NY mean the same to us, but not to a model. Preparation defines a limit, a ceiling that your model cannot cross. Better models won't fix this. If bias exists in your data, AI will not reduce it, it will amplify it, and that leads to unstable and sometimes unfair outcomes. Good prep makes systems easier to improve, and poor prep creates technical debt that slows your that slows you down over time. Most AI systems depend on multiple data sources, different formats, different systems, different update cycles. Prep brings all of this together into one unified view. Missing or incorrect data can distort outcomes. So you decide, remove it, fill it, or flag it based on what preserves reliability. Outliers can mislead models. Sometimes they are real signals, sometimes just noise. The choice you make here directly affects learning. Validation ensures your data can be trusted. Automated checks, business rules, and expert review all work together to reduce errors. Prep is not just a step, it is the foundation of everything the model will learn. Now let's look at a quick quiz. Uh, which of these are critical activities in phase 3 data prep? And select all that apply. So I would say think about it, pause the video if need be, and then drop your